Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see about what is compiler and what is interpreter. Before getting started with Python, we should know the difference between the compiler and the interpreter. Come, let's get started. What is a compiler? A compiler is a program that translates a source of language or a high-level programming language into a target machine code, which means we write a code in any language. You can code in Java, you can code in Python, any language that is called source code. That source code cannot be understood by the computer because the source code will be understood only by the humans, but the computer will only understand zeros and ones, which means machine code. So we have to convert this source code into a machine code. So we are converting the source code into the machine code by means of compiler. Both the compiler and interpreter does the same job, which is converting the source language into a machine code. In compiler, first the source code is given to the compiler. That source code is converted into the machine code in a file format. That file is run in an executor and then the executor will give the output. Then, what is an interpreter? Interpreter does the same job as the compiler did. It converts the high-level language into a machine code. In compiler, we will give a source code which will be converted into file format. Then only we will run that file and execute. We will get the output. But in the interpreter, first one line of source code is given to the interpreter and its output is given. Then it reads the next line, interprets and gives the output. There is no compilation in the interpreter, which means we will not convert the whole code into a file of machine codes. It runs by line. So, what is contrary to compiler is it converts the source code into machine code when the program is running, not before the program runs. In compiler, we will first compile it, which means we will first convert it into a machine code in a file format. But here that is not performed. That is the difference between interpreter and a compiler. Interpreter does not produce any intermediary object code like compilers. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video.